This is the recipe for my DIY vitamin C facial serum that you will absolutely love. It's made with organic vitamin C capsules. I'm going to show you how to blend this up. It's a game changer for your skin, helping to support your collagen and all natural ingredients. Okay, so we're going to start with some rose water, which naturally does contain some whole food vitamin C. We're using 5 teaspoons of rose water. You're going to mix this into your mixing container. There we go, and now we're adding in 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, and I just purchased these ingredients at the health food store. And that already smells so lovely from the rose water. It's beautiful. And we're adding in now 5 capsules that I've opened up of the organic vitamin C. And this is a supplement, adding this into the mixture. And this is a whole food vitamin C, so very different from the synthetic vitamin Cs that are out there. There are no synthetic ingredients in here. Okay, so we're going to blend this up and give it a little bit of time for it to all incorporate. And the longer that this actually stands once you put it into your container, the better, because that glycerin in the rose water will draw that vitamin C out of those capsules from that whole food source. It has the acerola cherries and camu berries, which are super concentrated in that natural whole food vitamin C. Okay, now that it's incorporated, pouring that into a dark amber glass container. This is important because we know that vitamin C is sensitive to that light, so a dark container is best, and if you can find a glass one, that's even better. Pouring that into there, and you're going to let that sit at least a couple days, and then you'll see that that serum on top is super concentrated with that whole food vitamin C. You're going to apply it to your skin as needed. You could use a little eyedropper if you wanted to do that, a more aseptic technique. And there you go. You can use this to help to lighten the skin if you've got those dark spots, helps with that collagen scaffolding because of that natural vitamin C. For a list of supplements to help with glowing skin, please check out my video, 9 Best Vitamins and Supplements for Glowing Skin. I'll see you there.